Hello, guys. So, how are we doing today? There are a couple of ideas I'm going to be dropping on this platform. Looking at it, we are in a world of technology, so I just thought of sharing some of my ideas. But before then, please ignore the eyes. I haven't slept since, and I had to drop this right before going to bed. So, let's dive into it. So, this app is an on demand mobile mechanics and appliance repair app, or better still, repairer. Have you been in situations whereby you are stuck, your device got bad, spoiled, and you are stuck on who you should call? Probably the person who does it for you stays far away and all of that. Now, that is the purpose of the app, to ease you of the stress and worries of calling your own, right? Your own, let's say, technician, mechanic, and what have you. This time around, you just need to open your app and search for the nearest technician or mechanic, you know, around you. And yes, this is going to be an app-based service that dispatches vetted professional technicians to a customer's location to perform repairs, also offering convenience and transparency. The key thing you need to take note of is that these guys are going to be vetted, and they're also going to be professionals, not just them say, you know. So, yes, this is the idea whereby you're able to call these people. Have you been in situations whereby you probably on a journey, or you're traveling interstate, and suddenly your vehicle gets bad, and your mechanic, for example, is far away from you? What do you do? Are you going to wait and start looking? No. So the app helps you to do all of that. You just need to go to the app, search for the mechanic close by. Do you understand? And boom, you will have somebody close by. Instead of stressing yourself, calling this, calling that. Do you understand? So this is really, really going to be helpful to a whole lot of people. Aside vehicles could be in your house. You probably got some device and you want to install them in the house. Instead of stressing yourself to start making those calls, you could just get on the app and search for someone close by. You would definitely see ratings on the app to be sure that, okay, this person really knows his or her job. And yeah, that would really, really make a lot of sense and make life easy for a whole lot. Instead of stressing, waiting for somebody to get back to you. No, you do it. They come to you ASAP, right? So this is one idea that I believe will go a long way. And yes, if you want more information on this, you can always reach out and we'll get to brainstorm on it. So thank you, and catch you in my next video. And yes, let's not forget, I'm going to be doing a whole lot of this. Yes, I'll be sharing tons of ideas, tons of it. Right. So stay tuned. Bye.